how to update VideoShow app. By updating your VideoShow app, you'll be able to get the latest version of the app, and you'll also be able to fix a lot of bugs or problems that you have been experiencing with this app. So I'll show you how to do it on Android smartphone, but you can do this as well on your iPhone. Now for the Android smartphone, go to Play Store, and if you are using an iPhone, you'll need to access App Store. Now go ahead and tap on it, and then under search here, just search for your app, and here is our app. Go ahead and tap on it to open. As you can see, it is already installed. Now when you tap on this, you'll see two functions: uninstall and open. Now under this open, if your app is not up to date, it will not be written open but update. Proceed and tap on update, and then this will go ahead and download the latest version of your app and then install it on your smartphone. Now once done, you'll see open. Proceed by tapping on it to start using the latest version of this app. So that's how you update VideoShow to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.